Notification sound too low on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the SkyTech Studio, and today's video will show you how you can fix if your notification sound is too low on your device. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix notification sound problem, you just need to go and open up the settings here from your Samsung Galaxy phone. And from the settings, you just need to scroll down a little bit and tap on sounds and vibration. And inside the sounds and vibration, you can simply go and tap on notification sounds. And inside this one, you'll get to see the first option, notification sound volume. If you see it's currently selected with the very low position, you can actually drag it to the very high the way you want. And once you select your preferred notification sound volume, you're pretty much good to go. Your notification sound problem will be fixed. If you still have the problem, then last thing that you can do, you can restart your phone once. And once you do that, most likely your problem is going to be solved and you'll get a loud notification sound from your Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.